Hey there, it's Tow Trucker. We're back doing the shirt giveaway. Fixing to draw the numbers right here. Here's my numbers. Let me give you a better shot of the numbers. Here's all the numbers that are going. They're going to be going in the hat. And I also missed one. I missed Ann White, so she's going in the hat too. I missed her when I was numbering them. Either way, we're going to go ahead and draw. And I need the hat. Let's see, we're gonna put all these in here. That way everybody knows it's done like it's supposed to be. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, let's see here. First up, number 31. Okay, first up, number 1 is GA Hillbilly 1. You got a shirt coming. Number 5 is gonna be Neil. Number 5 is Neil. Number 6 is Wendy Balcom. Number 7 is Raul Landau. Number 8 is Melanie Prey. Number 9, you just got Jinx. Number 10 is Lauren McElligott. Number 12 is Roy Quitter. Number 14, you know what, I didn't put it. Hey, Ann White's number 14. I already called number 10, didn't I? Number 10. Yep, called number 10. 14. Number 17. Yeah, McKeezus. Number 19 is Mark Merrick. Number 23 is going to be Super Game Night 2.0. Number 27, Evelyn Aguilar is number 27. Looks like we're missing one. That 29 is going to be pulled out of the hat, and we're going to pull another number out. Okay, number 30. Hat Rings, number 30. 31 is going to be Bruce Sercombe. Michael Barasta, number 34. Let's see, 41. 41 is going to be X the Faceless. Number 45, it's going to be Killjoy 1. Number 50 is Danny Gonzalez. And like I said, we're going to draw one more out of the hat because I missed one of my numbers. So one more person gets to it's going to be getting one. Number 43.
Tracy.
Yeah, Tracy McClung, number 43. Anyway, if anybody that I know a lot of people have been watching my channel for a long time. If you missed the giveaway, don't worry about it. As this channel grows and gets bigger, I'm gonna be doing these giveaways from here on out. This ain't something I'm gonna just quit doing. I'm gonna be doing shirt giveaways. I'm actually gonna be trying to sell my shirts too. I've got some new shirt designs coming out. They're in the process right now of finishing up the artwork on them. I've already got the artwork done, and the designs that I've done, and they've got to pull out the artwork for the silkscreen work on it. But I'm having them done here. I'm not doing them over Teespring because I don't like the shipping. I don't like the way the order on demand is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have them listed for sale. But I'm gonna keep giving shirts away. Hey, thanks for watching. Like I said, I'm not this is the first run. Hey, if you did win a shirt, hey, please send me an email to towtruckerbiz@gmail.com. It's under my about page. Go to my channel page. This is my channel page. Go to the about right here, about link here. Click on that and you can got my email address. It's towtruckerbiz@gmail.com. Anyway, thanks everybody for watching. Y'all have a blessed evening, and please send me your information if you want a shirt. I've got all the information here. I know the names. Let me know what your name is. Please let me know what your name is on your YouTube, because I can't. If you send me an email, I'm not going to know who you are. I'm not going to know who you are on your email unless you tell me who you are on YouTube. Unless your email and YouTube are the same. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a blessed evening.